Don't touch Cole's tail.
Having lunch with the girls. We just finished.
She's getting a drink. Little
Yeah.
girl. Hi, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey, Big Mama. Hey, Midnight. Not you, Cole. Cole's eating chicken poop.
Yeah, he loves the chicken poop. Big Mama's looking more and more like Big Daddy.
With those feathers.
That's what they say. So that's how you tell is by the feathers, especially those saddle feathers. The saddle feathers are the ones that are not the tail feathers, but right below it.
She's
They're
the
long
only
and
one that
pointy.
has them. Look at her.
Yeah.
She's displaying them. Look.
Yeah. They're just eating out of our hands. They love bread.
Yeah, it's their favorite. Here they come. Hey, Mama. Hey, chick chicks.
Chick, chick, chick.
Chick chicks.
Chick, chick, chick.
Hey, chick chicks. Hey, chick chicks. Thinks
What
Pop's
do you
got
get?
the
Nothing in there,
worms.
Dad. There's nothing in there.
Papa cheated on. Huh, Colleen?
Go get the worms.
Want me
Yeah.
to? Pause it. Otherwise the video's going to be too long.
Hurry up. We can't pause it.
Oh, stop it. Restart it.
No, we'll just keep it going. We can show the addition of the chicken coop. Here's
Tell Daddy's going to come
Here's the new addition of the chicken coop. Actually, I could just make that into a whole nother coop if I wanted to. No problem.
Or Dad's little
But it's gonna be for store all their stuff, get all that hay out of here in the garbage can, and
Here they
everything will
come.
be stored.
Maybe it could be where Dad has this little seat and watches the
Go
chicken.
take it out there, baby.
Only Mama can. Hi, Coley. Come on, girl. Hey, chicken. Only Mama
Chick, chick,
can.
chick, chick. They were trying to come, they just can't get over there. Chick, chick, chick. Oh, here comes Big Mama. She's running.
Because Coley's.
There they go. More worms and kisses for Mama.
Coley, you don't need the worms.
Oh, oh.
She ran into there.
Come here, Coley.
Here, little
Go
girl.
over there, baby. Go to
Where?
them. Go where they're at.
I just did. Here, little girl. Ow, she's taking my fingers.
Okay. Doesn't hurt.
Here, little girl. Midnight. Chick chicks. Hey, chick chicks. Hey, chick chicks.
Yeah.
Here comes Midnight. Hey, chick chicks. Timmy. Uh-oh. Timmy is Midnight are fighting. They're wasting the worms.
No, they'll eat them. Sit.
Chick chicks.
Sit.
He's hot.
Good boy. Let them eat. They'll make you more chicken poop to eat. Cole's favorite now is chicken poop.
That's why it gets this. Man, they just go nuts. Hey, Midnight. Oh, I scared Midnight away. That doesn't take much. Here, Midnight. Chick chicks. Chick chicks. Hey, chick chicks. Hey, chick chicks. Ow, Big Mama.
Better stop it. There's my familia.